Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, just feeling like a great sandwich tonight. I've been eating sandwiches lately. I just had so many, different veggie bowls and curries, just all kinds of stuff. But I don't know, sandwiches are great. I got some of this bread, which I haven't had in quite some time. I've been really kind of eating lots of French baguettes. But this is really great bread. It's got a real sweet taste to it. It's really good. It's 7-grain, whole grain bread. It's just got really good flavor, nothing in it, very, very few ingredients. I've got this veggie patty, which I love. This particular brand is really good. It takes about a minute 30 seconds in the microwave, depending on how powerful your microwave is. But it's just perfect after that. You don't have to do anything else to it. It doesn't quite fit the bread. It's a little, because bread's long, and it's because it's kind of made for hamburger bun. So, but I love it on this bread better than a hamburger bun. It's hard to get really good hamburger buns in the store anymore. I've got some other stuff going on here. I've got some little bit of mushrooms. I got some fresh cut leeks. I just cut them. I've got some beautiful fresh basil. Just pulled it off the plant. I'm going to put that on. I've got some other herb salad here, just a little bit going to go on. And I've got some Roma tomato, which I'm going to slice up nice and thin and layer it on once this is in the oven. And I've got avocado, of course, and I've got some hummus that I'm going to use for spread. I love using this hummus. You've probably seen my other videos where I use hummus instead of some sort of like vegan mayonnaise or something. I think hummus just works so well. A lot of times I make my own, and I'll pick this up at a store, at a regular store that has like a salad bar. Some of them have really good hummus. This one I freeze it. I put them in these little cups. You can freeze it. They last forever. Just thaw them out and they're just as good. Hummus freezes really well. So I'm going to pop this into the microwave for a minute, 30 seconds. I'm not going to even cut and come back. And I'm going to prep this up. So let's slice some slices of Roma. I'm just going to make them about 1/8 of an inch thick. I am going to remove all the seeds, and I'm going to do 4 of them. It'll be really good. And let's get it. I'm not big on seeds, so I just get them out of there. I don't mind the center part's really good too. That's all good. I just don't like the seeds. I have a tendency to have a bitter taste, and no point in having them in there if I don't need them in there. I just knock them out like that. Really good. Save that end. Yeah, 4 should be good. 2, yeah, 2, and 4, perfect. Let's get rid of that. And let's see, let's mop up our watery part here. Great. Okay. As soon as that's done, it's a quick assembly. This just takes nothing to do, and it is just fantastic. This is just going to be great. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Got a few potato chips. It's a really great one. It's just 3 ingredients: potato, olive oil. They make it in olive oil, so it's a kettle olive oil potato chip, and it's got a little bit of salt. It's not too bad with the salt or the olive oil, but I don't eat that many of them, and I don't eat them that often, but I love them. Veggie patty's ready. I'm going to put the hummus down first. I'm going to do a thin layer on both sides of the bread. I like that because it's uneven, and it helps stop anything from getting in there. Like stuff that moistens the bread too much. Make sure I didn't get a paper plate on there. Didn't realize it was going to cook through so bad. Okay, I'll do the same with this one. And I use this just like a mayonnaise would. Just fantastic. I might as well use it all up. There's not much left. Really good. Okay, throw some tomatoes down here. Just like that. Like that. Perfect. Okay. Avocado. So I'm just going to do about 3 or 4 slices here. I'm going to get out of here. Perfect. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this, actually so it grips the bread a little bit, because you know avocados can slide around a lot. So I'm just going to lay this whole avocado thing right here. Like that. And then put the patty back on top of that. And again, the patty's going to be in the middle. I got a little bit of space on the outside, but I don't really care. It's so good anyway. So let's throw some of these mushrooms down, because this is going to be really good too on here. Now these I just sort of ran in the microwave with a little bit of water in the bottom of a bowl just to soften them a little bit. And let's put the leeks. Oh, this is going to be good with the leeks and everything on here. Oh yeah. Let's put the little bit of lettuce. As you can see, this gets really big. Lettuce is kind of fluffy there. Okay, and get on there. Okay, and then I'm just going to chiffonade up this basil. This is going to be a nice added touch. I love basil. I just love it on just about everything. I'm just going to pile that right on top of the greens. And then the trick is to sort of get this all flipped at one particular point in time. Kind of mash that down just enough. And just like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't want to crush it too much. Wow. Fantastic. Let's actually put it on a clean plate and cut it in half. I'm going to mash it just a little bit so it's, because I don't think I can get my mouth around it otherwise. Beautiful. Okay. Fantastic. Yeah, let's open it that way. And you can get a look at it. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, that's just fantastic. That's going to be great. Just great. It smells really good. It's just going to be great. I'm FOODMAKER V. And remember, the best investment you can ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.